What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Super Saiyan 4 Trunks. Okay, so just to spice things up, I decided to draw Super Saiyan 4 Trunks. This is gonna be a sketch tutorial. First we are going to start by drawing a perfect square, and then we are going to draw the face of Trunks. We'll do that by using 6 lines. And then we are going to use this guideline to mark the center of his face. And from that point we are going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes, following with the eyebrow. The bumps above the eyes, and of course to create the eyes we'll use 3 lines, 2 diagonals and the curve underneath. But if you guys know, in the Super Saiyan 4 form, the Saiyan's got a red line at the border of the eye. Just like that. We'll add the cheek marks underneath. And to draw the nose, we are going to use 5 lines following these next steps. Next, with a very tiny margin from the nose, we are going to draw the mouth. We'll do that by using 3 lines, and of course we'll indicate his chin, just like that. And I think we are going to make the chin a bit smaller, as well as the jaw. And of course we'll add the iris and the pupil, just like that. Next we are going to draw the shape of the ear and the details inside, just like always. We'll draw his hairline. And we'll use 2 lines to create the neck. And then I'm gonna use this guideline to mark the center of the torso. Then we'll refine the neck by adding the neck muscles, his Adam's apple. We'll draw 2 curves to create the chest muscles. And then we're going to draw the famous Super Saiyan 4 spikes of hair. Next we're going to draw 2 lines, 2 curves to indicate his shoulders. And then we are going to draw a rough shape of his hair. Now we don't have the official design of Super Saiyan 4 Trunks, but this is how I envisioned him looking with his current hairstyle in Dragon Ball GT. Once we got the overall shape, we can add the rest of the spikes. We'll start with these 2 spikes from the front. And then gradually I'm gonna go up, and I'm gonna do some adjustments along the way because, as you guys know, this is not an official design. Also, next we are going to add some fur texture to the shoulders. I'm gonna make some more adjustments to the hair. And next we are going to mark the highlighted areas on the hair. Awesome, next we are going to grab a red color pencil, coloring the borders of the eyes. Then we are going to take a blue-green color pencil and we'll color his irises. If you guys remember, Goku's Super Saiyan 4 eyes are yellow, but Vegeta's Super Saiyan 4 eyes are blue-green. So like father, like son, we are going to color Trunks' eyes with the same color. Awesome, next we are going to mark all the shaded areas for this drawing. If you guys don't know, this process is called cell shading. It's what they did in traditional animation and it's also what they do in digital animation, 2D digital animation of course. Awesome, once we are done, it's time for the cross-hatching technique. In this technique, what we are going to do is draw some diagonal lines with the same distance from one to the other, and that way we'll get the illusion of shade. And if we want to make an area look darker, we are going to draw the same lines but in the opposite direction. So we are going to continue and shade all the areas we marked earlier. We'll do the same process for the hair. Awesome, and now to create more contrast from the highlighted areas on the hair to the darker areas of the hair, we are going to take the HB2 pencil and just add a layer of shade, and of course make sure to shade with the direction of the shape. Next, we are going to add some more lines, this time in a different angle, again with the same distance from one to the other. We are doing that for the same reason, to create more contrast. And of course, don't forget to add some lines to the eyebrows. And we are done, everybody. So this is how you draw Super Saiyan 4 Trunks. Please let me know how you did in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this design. Tell me if you like me to draw more unseen characters. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week, 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always. Thank you all for all the support, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace!